Let's look at this. Suppose the length of each side of a regular hexagon is ABCD is 2 centimeters. So I'm looking at a regular hexagon and I'm saying that the side, each side of a regular polygon, regular hexagon is turning out to be 2 centimeters. So this is your 2 centimeter that you are talking about. Let me mark the numberings as A, B, C, D, E, and F. Right? Now, T is the midpoint of CD that you are talking about. So if I take T over here, that is the midpoint of CD. And then the length AT in centimeter has been asked to you. So I will have to join this AT over here. I'll have to join this AT over here. They're asking me the length of AT. Clear? Now, if you observe this very carefully, this is a regular polygon, right? So this is also 2, this is also 2. For a regular polygon, which is a hexagon in this particular case, what is the exterior angle? Exterior angle is 360 divided by n. So in this particular case, it should be 360 divided by 6. That's going to be 60 degrees. Exterior angle will be 60 degrees. What will be the interior angle? The interior angle will be 180 minus the exterior angle. 180 minus 360 by n. In this particular case, the interior angle will turn out to be 120. That means this angle present over here, which is the interior angle of your hexagon, is going to be 120. Correct? Now, join C to A also. If you join C to A, you will realize in the triangle ABC, you have isosceles triangle with this becoming 2 and 2. So this angle over here must be 30 degrees and this angle present over here must also be 30 degrees. The overall interior angle was 120. So this angle, which will be the leftover angle ACT, will turn out to be a right angle triangle. Why? Because this will be 90. Because the total sum BCT was 120. This was 30. So this has to be 90. Now I have what? I have ACT as a right angle triangle where if I figure out the value of AC, CT is already 1 given to me because T was the midpoint of the side CD, which was 2 centimeter. So if I can figure out the length of AC, then I'll be able to apply Pythagoras theorem and get down to the answer. What will be AC? AC will be 2 times of cos 30. 2 times of cos 30 and twice of that will turn out to be the length of AC. Why? Because look at this. If I drop a perpendicular from here and this particular length from here to here is going to be 2 cos 30. Same way this particular length over here is going to be 2 cos 30 once again. So it will become 2 times of 2 cos 30, which is 4 times of cos 30, which is root 3 by 2. That is going to be 2 root 3. That is going to be 2 root 3. AC is going to be 2 root 3. Now, if you apply your Pythagoras theorem, you will realize AC square plus CT square is equals to AT square. AC square is going to be what? 4 multiplied by 3. CT square will be what? 1. That will be the value of your AT square. So what is AT square? AT square is going to be 13. So what is the value of AT? The value of AT will be root over of 13. Option B, root over of 13 is the correct answer.